Hi friends, in this tutorial, I will show you how to convert octal number to hexadecimal. You already know, a number is represented in octal using digits 0 to 7. While hexadecimal can be represented using digits 0 to 9 and A to F. So here, you can see the question, I will convert the octal number to hexadecimal. Here, we cannot convert the octal number directly into the hexadecimal. Therefore, first, we need to convert the octal into decimal number, then secondly, we need to convert decimal into hexadecimal number. So, the first part is, I will convert this octal number into decimal. Kindly write down the number, 67. As you know, the base of octal is 8. Multiply 7 by 8 to the power of 0, multiply 6 by 8 to the power of 1. After multiplying, add the number. Here, 55 will be required decimal number. Now, move to the second part, I will convert this decimal into hexadecimal. Write down the number, 55. As you know, the base of hexadecimal is 16, so kindly divide the number by 16 and write down quotient. 3 is below, and the remainder, 7, in the right side. Divide the number again by 16, write down quotient, 0 is below, and the remainder, 3 in the right side. Kindly stop the process if quotient reached to 0. In the remainder section, write digits from bottom to top. So, 37 will be our final value in hexadecimal. We have another method to convert octal to hexadecimal. You can see the same question here on screen. In this method, we will first convert the octal into binary number. Then, we will convert the binary into hexadecimal number. If you don't know how to convert octal to binary, then please click on I button shown above. So, write down the number. The first, we will convert the octal number into binary. As you know, we use 3 bits for representing octal, 0 to 7, in number system conversion table. 67. We can write 7 using 3 bits as 1, 1, 1, 6 using 3 bits as 1, 1, 0. So, required binary will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Move to the second part, we will convert this binary number into hexadecimal. Kindly write down the binary number. As you know, we use 4 bits for representing hexadecimal number in number system conversion table. So, I will pair the number in groups of 4 bits. You can see, 2 bits are missing. In order to make it the group of 4 bits, we will add 2 zeros. So, the value of this group in decimal is 7, and the value of this group in decimal is 3. So, 37 will be our final value in hexadecimal. I hope that you have understood this concept. Please share this video and subscribe. If you want to know how to convert a hexadecimal to binary, then please watch the next video.